Today's video, we are going to do the fourth block in our series, our mix and match series. This block is our bumblebee block, okay? It's really simple, super fast to make. Use up all of those really cute scraps you've been hiding. Let's get started. Okay, so pictured here is figure B. It's our layout and cutting guide for our bee block. So as you can see, all of the pieces you need for your block are labeled with a letter, and it shows you how those pieces are going to go together. Then on the side, it'll give you the measurements you need to cut each of your fabrics, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so after looking at our diagram and our cutting guide, I went through my scraps and found the fabrics I want to make 2 bumblebee blocks. I cut the fabrics out and laid them on 2 little design boards. So in our pattern, we have figure C. It's making our corner triangles. So block B is going to be snowballed with background fabric C as pictured. In figure D from our pattern, making the other corner triangle units, we have block D and block I. Now these are also going to be snowballed. As you notice on block D, we have 2 corners that are gray, and that's our background fabric, that's E. Then G and F are snowballed, but they're with our printed fabrics, okay? But notice that F is a larger snowball than G. Pay attention to that in your pattern. Then in block I, we will snowball 1 corner with our background fabric. Okay, so on the design board, you can see that we have all of our blocks snowballed, and I have them lined up in columns. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sew our blocks together in columns, okay? Okay, so now that we have our B block sewn into 3 columns, we're going to sew those columns together, okay? So let's do that now. So the next step in our pattern is to put our side sashing on. That's J, and that's 2.5 by 9.5 inches. After we sew J on, we'll sew our top and bottom sashing, which is K, and that's 1 3/4 by 13 inches. Alrighty guys, so that's it. It's super easy. It's just snowballing some blocks and then sewing them in columns and then sewing the columns together and then putting on your outside borders. Super, super easy block. Anybody can do this. Use up them scraps. Make your bees super pretty colors, okay? Well guys, this concludes our mix and match series. Our 4 blocks in our series. We had our flower block, our leaf block, our bluebird, and our bumblebee. So now the fun begins. I get to lay out all these blocks and decide how I want my quilt to look. So I just made a bunch of leaf blocks and flower blocks, and then I made 2 bluebirds and 2 bumblebees. So tomorrow I'm going to lay all my blocks out. They're not all on that design wall. I made more of them. They just don't fit up there. And I'm going to decide how I want my quilt to look. And then I'm going to sew it together. I want to remind you, you can get all 4 of these patterns for free at tildasworld.com under the tab Free Patterns. Well, I really enjoyed this sew along. I love these blocks and I love using up all my scraps. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.